Cadal or Shane. Smish Michelle, Bini Shane, Ailein Sada Cadal, I guess Brini Yen Shin Ashje. Ailein Sada Cadal, Hanshak Karam Salad Dream again. Highland doing gas going spaghetti. Channa to hum kind day mud. Be up a farving vision. Urajian the mind to hate me. Who got away? Who got a man? Who got away? You got a man. Sadon karik mi dalabi. Sadon hey fagay mahladi. Es klari dalang nefache. Stich mir in an kujo, den mit gilam fuyo. Who got away? Who got a man? Who got away? You got a man. Kan hoort ik voor je, ieder baard zijn jaar naar brood, waar de kapanjen aan sproeit, zeilen van aan spoken door. Who got away? Who got a man? Who got away? So, sorry, Ian, I'm actually going to do My Wee Leather, if you don't mind. I'm going to talk about the song because it's super cool.
Sure.
Thanks. Who's next?
Hina.
Hina. Oh, no.
Yeah.
But so the next after me is...
Sheena.
No, I thought, didn't you say somebody else?
Oh, sorry.
Jan Tinamahar.
That's Jay.
Ailein, Agus and Orsha. Hina. Right. So this song is like super cool and I love it. I had a great conversation with my song teacher about it. So it's Ailein Sada Cadal. Dude, you've been asleep way too long, right? And so it's a Jacobite era song. So if you know anything about Scottish history, we're talking about like the stuff you might be familiar with around like Culloden and things like that. But what I love about this song, we had a really meaty discussion. The lyrics are like, dude, you've been awake too long. Rise, wake up. Get your energy on. Go grab a cup of coffee. We've got stuff to do, right? Like, be alababor, full of invasion. Like, you need to gather your people. You need to keep telling them about everything, because if you don't, Scotland will fall to the beast, right? The beast being those that we are fighting during the Battle of Culloden, i.e. the English. But anyways, there's this really cool line in it, and it's like talking about Alaba, like Ailein, I guess it's Ailein, I should say, is like a symbol, I think, for Scotland in this song, right? Scotland, rise up, be ready, get your kids together and go do the thing, right? And in the last verse, it's like speaking of like going up the mountains and down into the valleys. And there's this weird line. I was like, dude, I don't get it. So it's Gaelic and Calipaniansburg, right? And it's like basically like this homie's like such a good shot that he would like blow the leg of a deer into like smithereens. I was like, how am I supposed to sing this line? That's like pretty brutal, right? Like, ew. And then the next line is, and the swans of the Blackfoot, right? The black-footed swans. And I'm like, oh, why? And she's like, I don't know, because swans have always been under royal protection. So maybe the implication is that he's of high enough status, Alan is of high enough status that he had permission to hunt the swans. But I would like to posit that if swans are indeed under the protection of the royal family, the monarchy, then the swans represent the royal family in this case, right? The English. And they're saying like, Alaba's got such a good shot. Not only can it take care of itself, right? It can take the deer out at the lake and leave all of the resources it needs available to it to feed itself, to clothe itself, to supply itself with whatever, but also take out the English too. So I just kind of love that and always like to share that tidbit. So anyways, done. Thank you.